Okay, guys, today is day one. It wasn't a long day. I just started maybe up around noon. I left Roanoke, and I made it to South Carolina. I drove around 6 hours maybe, and I only made it to. I made only like close to 300 miles. Um, I'm taking only back roads, like kind of like the 55 mile per hour roads, and so far so good. I mean, it's been an amazing experience so far. Just the fact that I can ride my dirt bike through the United States is just incredible. We did change the gearing, and it's a 15 front sprocket to a 49 in the back, and the bike feels great. I can cruise with no problem at 60, 60, 65. And if I need to make a pass, like 70, 75 miles per hour, the bike has no problem reaching 75. I haven't tried going faster than that, but so far really good. Temperature was around the 55 degrees through all the trip. I decided to go south instead of west. The shortest way is going to Chattanooga, Tennessee, but I thought, with the cold weather coming, it would be worse to drive like horizontally. So I decided to go south, trying to catch some warmer weather. And I'm probably gonna go all the way to Pensacola or maybe Panama City, Florida, and then from there go to the Mexico border. So far, like I said, so far so good. The bike is making about 60 miles per gallon, and I have 3 gallons. I'm still panicking, once I see the gas tank going down, but I did two refillings, and it was only like 1.5 gallons every time I refuel. In total, I think I use 6 gallons maybe. I still have some on the bike, so maybe 5 gallons made it all the way here. Yeah, that's about right. Close to 300, 500, 5 gallons. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to wake up a little bit earlier, maybe leaving around 9 the latest, and see how far I can make it. I'm still way too far from Pensacola, or from, like I said, like from Panama City. I appreciate you guys following me. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. I hope this is gonna be a good adventure. Um, and you guys wanna keep posted, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You have any questions? Let me know. Uh, I'm probably gonna say how much kind of money I'm spending every day. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try. I'm trying to go like super cheap, the cheapest possible I can make it. And today I spent, well, not really, but on the hotel I spent only $65. I put the bike inside the hotel, and the manager came later, and he was mad at me because I put the bike inside, but then he kind of cooled down. So that's 65. 5 gallons. That's about $20. Um, I got a couple drinks on the trip, and dinner. On dinner, I spent $20 in the States. So that's 65, 85, 95, probably like close to $100 today. I hope once I cross to the Central America, I can lower those costs a lot, because um, like I said, I'm trying to spend the less as possible. In the future, I'm probably gonna make a video of the what's on the bike, and also what's on every of what am I carrying. What's on each of the bags. I also trying to be as light as possible. So stay tuned. I have two cameras, GPS, cell phone, Cardo, communicator. I don't know why, but I got it. I'm traveling by myself, and we'll see how it goes. Final destination Colombia. I said Panama because that's where the road ends, but I don't know if the bike is gonna make it to Colombia or not, but that's the idea. I'll make it to Colombia. So again, thank you so much for all of you watching. Don't forget, give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you.